Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of software testing tutorial, today I'll show you how you can run your software testing Selenium test using headless mode. So today I'll show you how you can create your test and run your test using Chrome driver as a headless mode. What is headless mode then? Basically, you see here is an application. We'll use this application sourcedemo.com. If we run our test headless mode, you will not be able to see this browser mode. At the time of running, it will open browser, navigate, whatever you want to do for testing. But headless mode, you will not be able to see that browser activity, GUI activity. So as usual, we will use our Eclipse IDE for our creating test. Here already our project package is set up. Those who are new in Selenium as well as Eclipse IDE, how to set up project package and create a class, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So here is my package. Right click in the package, then go new. Thereafter you can create Java class, JUnit test case, and also click other. Here is the testng class. I'll go for the testng class because all of my tutorial with the testng class. Click next over here. Here you need to keep up to source. Thereafter you need to provide your class name. My class name is headless Chrome. Then click finish. I am not taking any other annotation. Click finish over here. Here is our test created, test class created. First thing we need to do, web driver equal to null. Here you see the red mark in the WebDriver, mouse over, import the WebDriver package. That's all, red mark will be gone. Thereafter, first thing we need to do, system.setProperty. Here are key value pair for the set property. So end it up with semicolon. So first key is the WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and value is the Chrome driver path you need to provide over here. Where you place your Chrome driver in your system, you need to provide that path. My path is over here. I have copied. So let me copy from here and paste it over here. That's all for the system.set property. Thereafter you need to do driver equal to new Chrome driver. Here you see red mark in the Chrome driver, mouse over, import that package. Thereafter you need to do driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. That means once browser will open, that needs to be maximized so that you can see the full window. Thereafter you need to do driver dot get. You need to provide the application URL over here. My application URL is here. Copy from here and paste it over here. Thereafter we need to capture the title. Driver dot get title. It will capture the title. I want to see that title in the console printed. That's why we need to declare a variable string app title equal to this one. Then we can print out in the console syso control space bar system out.println. So app title is, then we can concatenate that variable app title over here so that it will print the app title in the console. Thereafter we can quit driver dot quit. This means it will close the application. So now we can save it. If we run this, it will be the GUI mode, not headless mode. So let's see how it works. Right click, run as testng test. So it is running. It open the browser, maximized, and it will navigate that application. Navigated, it will close. Let's see, test is pass, and also it is printed the title swag labs. That's our goal. Now let me clear the console. Now we need to do that in headless mode. For headless mode we need to do only 2 lines of code. Chrome options CO equal to new Chrome options. Again you see there is the red mark, mouse over, you need to import that package. That's it. Thereafter CO dot add argument. Here we need to place our argument headless, hyphen hyphen headless. So that means we are instructing Chrome option, it will be headless. Then we need to pass that CO in the driver, Chrome driver. So that's all for headless mode. Now save it. So in previous run you saw that Chrome browser open, maximize, and it closed the browser. So right now if I run this, you will not see that activity. It will run behind the scene, and whatever our app title it will capture and it will print it in the console. So right click, run as test-ng test. You see how it works. It is running till browser is not open. You see how it goes. You see it is done. Headless mode, it is so fast, it is pass, and also I see it is printed. That means your headless mode run will be fast. If you have a big test, if you run with the headless mode, it will take less time than headed mode. So there are many reasons you need to run your test in headless mode. I believe those who are new in Selenium as well as headless mode Chrome browser run, it will be helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.